welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe for more. If you have this message, that means your auxiliary battery need to be replaced. This module is the Mercedes CLA auxiliary battery. It's located just at the passenger side, front seat, passenger side, under the dashboard. So you just pull the carpet, you just pull it. This is the auxiliary battery. This one is the auxiliary battery. So how you open it to remove this, the AC filter cover. There's lock here. Just wanna remove this. Have this lock here. Then you place this one to pull it. You can get access to the cover. Have these 3 locks holding these locks here. The battery is gone. The battery is damaged. The battery is spoiled. So you can open with 10 spanner to get your 10 spanner to remove this and replace the battery.